Hello, my name's Eros, and today we are going to be just doing a quick trade recap. And yeah, I'm just going to be going through my thoughts and my analysis for today on S&P. So today we took out previous day's highs, and then one sec. So we took previous day's highs, and then jumped to the 4 hour. Let's take this off. So we took previous day's highs, then I identified that there is a order block right there. So order block hits the alpha order block and it starts respecting it, as you can see. And then yeah, that's just like a whole range here to that price needs to rebalance in order for it to target premium again. So if we go onto the 1 hour now, we can see that it is indeed holding, and it's also respecting this 1 hour bullish order block, and it's also respecting the fair value gap. Also, I see that the 1 hour lows get swept as well. So I'm already seeing so many confluences for bullish push. So this happens around 11 a.m. and New York opens at 1:30 for the UK. So yeah, then let's hop into the 15-minute. So this is where I get more clarity on the 15-minute, because first we can see the sweep, and then we can see a market structure shift. I'll show you guys that in a second. Should be more clearer. But first, price respects this order block. Excuse me, just got a sore throat. So price respects this M15 bullish order block, and also we are respecting this fair value gap, like the bodies are still respecting it, like yeah. Also we've taken out so many lows, and if we hop into the 5-minute now, we can see the model coming to fruition. So first, what am I looking at? So I'm looking at for a market structure shift and also a liquidity sweep. So as you can see, the sweep, we get a sweep, and then get displacement up followed by a market structure shift. And then once we get the market structure shift and all this displacement, what do? We try and rebalance and try and find a discount. Where's the discount? This fair value gap right here. So as you can see, the time frame alignment has been very good on this trade, because first it's respecting the M15 order block. Go back to the 5-minute. There's a 5-minute bullish fair value gap being respected as well. And let's go to the 1 minute finally. So right, so the same thing, we get a liquidity sweep, market structure shift, price displaces, and then when we place our order, we obviously want to target we want to get filled in to the 50%. This is obviously in the discount, and you can obviously see once price hits this fair value gap on the 1 minute as well, it instantly respects it. Price action moves beautifully to the upside, and it also respects any fair value gaps here, fair value gap, and then targets my TP. So this trade was 4R, as you can see. Let's see the ticks. 52 for 236. So yeah, around 4R for this trade. And yeah, so in terms of my account right now, I am in 7% drawdown. Before I took this trade, I was in 9% drawdown. So that means if I lost 1% of the account, I would have been finished and I'd have blown my account. But I did some reflection and I realized that everything is all in the mind. And you have to get rid of fear of missing out on these trades. If you don't see your setup, if you don't see your plan, there should be nothing. You should be completely desensitized to the to the outcome, to the rewards. You have to follow your plan and nothing else. If it doesn't fit if you don't see all your confluences, for example, you should not be taking a trade. Simple as that. There's nothing else you should do. Yeah, and that's about it. I'll show you my journaling quick on this trade. Just go to Notion quick. So let's just so as you can see, I was risking 0.5%. This New York session, we were target trading 4R, risking 50 trade and aiming for like around 200. So these are all the confluences. Daily was bullish. Hour 4 order block was respected, followed by a 1 hour order block respected, 1 hour sweep, and 15 order block. Power 3 was also involved there as well. And we were obviously in line with the higher time frames. Yes, we were bearish on the day, on the evening, but overall we were bullish on the medium time frames. So sorry about that. And what I can say with this trade is I followed my plan. I felt no emotions, completely desensitized to the outcome. And yeah, I just told myself well done. And yeah, that's a bit it. Let's just go back to trading view quick. So yeah, guys, if you are in drawdown, I recommend you taking yourself out of the marketplace, especially if you are in 9% drawdown. You need to be in that state of mind where you do not think about the money anymore. It's all about your execution, your plan, how you think and how you view and interpret the markets. It's all information. There's nothing else. The market doesn't owe you anything. This will lead to profitability. This will lead to consistency. This will yield all the results you've been wanting. But yeah, I just wanted to be transparent with you guys. I am in 10% drawdown, but we'll see where I take this account and I will update you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I hope you guys found this very insightful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.